Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the threads. So T-Flex supports the creation of cosmetic threads on cylindrical and conical faces of a 3D model like the one that I've created previously to prepare this lesson. This cosmetic thread is not the exact geometrical representation of the actual thread, and we can create that precise representation with the spiral command that we've seen already in this course. Nevertheless, it's quite suitable for most of the tasks because consumes much less computational resources. This cosmetic thread is a texture that is applied to the selected face, and this process is very simple to apply. So to apply the thread, 3D model menu, group advanced and thread, we can choose the cylinder where to apply this command. So I can do it inside or outside. I will do it for now in the outside. We can choose start and end. Okay, it is important in terms of the offsets. Then we can choose the regulation or the standard. So I will choose a non-standard because we have a lot of for ghost rules. It's not what we want. So non-standard. Side current, okay, I can say inner, outer, or current. If I say inner or outer, you see that the parameters are changing. So the diameter is recognized, 40. The pitch, I will use another one to open more parameters. So if it is NPT and it is outer or inner, things also change. So the pitch, in this particular case, we don't have, okay, we don't have any other pitch. So diameter 40. Let's start this again. So again, thread, this one, so non-standard, so 40. The pitch is what we want, the height is what we want. If I say pitch 5, probably there is no rule for this particular pitch. So in some cases we can adjust the class. This class is the precision of the thread, number of entries, 1 or 2 or more, left or not, okay, it changes. This is the notation that is presented when we project this thread to the 2D. So if I say M, for example, or something else, and I can have some offsets, for example, 5 from face start, and this limits where to start and where to end, and I can choose from, in this particular case, only the face start, but I can choose, for example, also from the face start on the end side. So I can do a lot of things. When I'm okay with this, simply go and do this. Okay. This is very easy to follow, so no big deal. In this particular thread that is used by default here, you see that I have other pitches, several diameters. According to the diameters, I will have several pitches also. So this is the thread, very easy to use, and we can connect this to the 2D projections, which show us also this notation for the threads.